iGov is a certified small business, about 20 years experience now, forging really strong relationships with our customers. We built a pretty extensive program portfolio supporting military services and other agencies across the DoD and within the federal government itself. Everything we do has the end user in mind. Traditional storage architecture for the tactical edge is bulky, it's expensive, it's heavy.
We brought about 15 different vendors and different types of solutions in-house to evaluate. vSAN was absolutely the fastest and the easiest that we found of any solution on the market. The key driver for purchasing vSAN was honestly, it was the performance and ease of configuration. Using vSAN, we could add multiple hosts and automate that configuration and installation within minutes. Each host was configured in roughly 9 seconds. We were able to get our hosts down to a very small size, so small that they could actually fit into a duffel bag or a backpack, where they could be deployed very easily, whether it be in a cave, on an airplane, helicopter, submarine. We're automating the entire installation of VMware for vCenter, vSphere, and vSAN. We can basically deploy an entire virtual infrastructure in about 23 minutes. We were getting roughly about 65,000 IOPS. Looking at our traditional SAN storage, we were maybe getting a fifth of that. We can expand and scale out and up while they're actually using the system while it's running with no downtime whatsoever. They could deploy with, say, 100 troops, and then all of a sudden another 200 would show up. We could easily just stack on those modules and get them up and running. We're using an all-flash storage array, so the components are very light, very easy to deploy. It was kind of like too good to be true that we could actually have our VMs deployed and have them up and running in such a short amount of time.
VMware's approach to HCI architecture is actually a unique one in that they look at the end user first.
vSAN has helped our business objectives dramatically, allowing us to operate in smaller environments, but also because of the cost savings involved, we don't have to worry about having a number of different systems that our end users need to learn, which in turn allows them to focus on what's important, protecting our country.
I would recommend vSAN to anyone who's looking into hyper-converged infrastructure.